Here with His Excellency this evening.
Welcome you to our state and to say thank you for coming to pay this courtesy visit. Permit me to say this. Anybody who disrespects, no matter how little the person is in authority, no matter how you think you have succeeded, it will come back to you in a bitter pill. I'm aware that you're not, this is not the actual number, you were more than this. I'm also aware that one of the senators representing, unfortunately, my senatorial district, didn't want people to come. But because you are men of integrity, as they claim, the real ones who have integrity, you decided to come and do what is right. God will bless you. What you're doing is the right thing. It doesn't matter. Politics is a business of interest. Your worst enemy today can become your best friend tomorrow. It's a business of interest. Unfortunately, some people think it's something that has to do with life or death. And that is one mistake everybody does when you overtake this business outside the normal principle of its rule. So I'm not worried. I'm happy that it's recorded that the Senate committee came and they visited the government house of Rivers State and we received them. Thank you. As about your mission to our state, we're happy that the refinery is really, the work there is ongoing and to the very reasonable extent, very soon it will be operational. We as a state, before the commencement of the job, has a contribution that we wanted to make to support the refinery because of the deplorable state of the East-West Road. There is a road, Woji-Aleto. You can see that we are almost completing the bridge. Is about 70%. They're doing almost the last part of it. With that road, it will help to decongest the trouble commuters face along the East-West Road and easy access straight to the refinery. So you can see our government is working in line, supporting the administration of President Tinubu to give our people hope and assurance that, and it is this role that you're playing genuinely and the support of the state government. That is the only way we can achieve a purpose for everyone. The purpose of governance is to make life easy for its people. And I'm happy that your investigation will result to making life easy for people. When operation of the refinery starts, there will be product. Issue of importation will go down. We will now make our own FX. Economy will grow. Internal revenue will increase. More projects will be executed in state. You can see it's a chain thing. So I want to thank you. I want to also leave you with this. We might be a state that has been presented. We have issues. We don't have any issue. Our eyes are on the ball to deliver for our people, even in the face of this deliberate distraction. We will not fail our people, because at the end, it is our people that count.